Growing a variety of herbs, vegetables, and flowers in a backyard is delightful. You can enjoy the landscaping while relaxing on your patio. Unless you live in an apartment and don't have a backyard. What a bummer! Don't worry, you can still grow plants indoors with these 10 clever, inexpensive indoor garden ideas. They not only add visual appeal to your home, but also improve airflow. To stay updated, subscribe if you haven't already. 10. Bottle garden. Short on time for watering? A bottle garden is the perfect solution. Cut a glass bottle, or have it cut for you, or use a plastic bottle if cutting isn't an option, and sand any sharp edges. Cut a small hole in a 2 by 2 inch piece of screen, thread string through the hole and knot it. Place the screen and string into the bottle, leaving the string long enough to extend past the bottleneck, then fill the bottle with potting mix and your chosen herbs. Set the filled bottle into a glass of water so the string can wick moisture from the glass into the soil, keeping the plants hydrated with minimal upkeep. This simple, self-watering setup lets you enjoy fresh herbs indoors without frequent watering and works well in small spaces. 9. Skinny planter stand. One common indoor gardening method is placing a window box by the sill, but a skinny planter stand offers a sleeker, more stylish alternative. It's essentially a narrow window box elevated and supported by 4 square aluminum tubes screwed into the base, creating a freestanding, airy display. A succulent-filled window box provides timeless charm with minimal fuss, and the tube's warm gold finish pairs especially well with mid-century modern decor, adding both height and visual interest to small living spaces. 8. Baking tin planter. A baking tin makes an affordable, quick planter that instantly sweetens your home decor. Start with a round baking tin and flip it onto a polymer plastic sheet. Trace a semicircle around the tin and cut the plastic to size. Apply a strong adhesive, Gorilla Glue or similar, around the tin's rim. Press the plastic firmly in place and double-check for any gaps that could let water escape. Add a drainage layer of stones and gravel, followed by a generous layer of potting soil, then plant your chosen herb. Finish by placing the tin where it gets bright, indirect light for best growth. 7. Mason jar hanging planter. Mason jars are a versatile, beginner-friendly way to grow kitchen herbs. Start by filling each jar with pebbles or seashells for drainage, then add potting soil and plant your herbs. Secure a length of wire around each jar's neck to create a hanger, and use hooks to suspend the jars wherever you like. Hanging them near a kitchen window is ideal for bright, indirect light and keeps fresh herbs within easy reach while cooking. This simple project adds charm to your kitchen and makes harvesting quick and convenient. 6. Tray pot for succulents. A tray pot can serve as striking wall art or a charming kitchen accent that brings living texture into your home. Unlike ordinary serving trays, these specialty trays, available at nurseries or online, feature 72 shallow cells specifically designed for succulents and other shallow-rooted plants. Each cell includes drainage holes to prevent overwatering and keep plants healthy. For a more polished, gallery-ready look, mount the tray in a wooden frame, secure it to the wall, and arrange a mix of colors and textures for visual impact. 5. DIY vertical clay pots. Apartment living often means limited space, but vertical gardening solves that problem. If floor or windowsill room is scarce, hang your plants to go upward instead. Vertical clay pots are a simple, space-saving option. Thread 2 or 3 clay pots onto a rod with washers between them, then secure the assembly to the ceiling using a concrete anchor and threaded eye bolt. This stacked arrangement lets you grow multiple flowers or herbs in a small footprint while adding visual interest and greenery to your home. 4. Glass hanging herb garden. Indoor gardening isn't just about growing decorative or edible plants. It's also an easy way to enhance your home's appearance. A hanging herb garden made from simple pint glasses creates a clean, modern display that's both attractive and functional. You'll need a slotted wall rack, IKEA Vexair or similar, 4 herb plants, and 4 pint glasses. Dip the bottoms of the glasses in latex paint if you want to write labels with white chalk. Mount the rack on a sunny wall, fill each glass with pebbles for drainage, add potting soil, and transplant your herbs. Slide the glasses into the rack's openings and label them to avoid mix-ups. This keeps your kitchen organized and your herbs easy to access. 3. Wood trellis plant wall. A wood trellis plant wall creates a striking focal point in both vintage and contemporary interiors, bringing texture and life to any room. Start by attaching narrow boards to the wall and arranging them into a repeating pattern of diamond shapes. Create plant holders from leather, sturdy canvas, or other durable scrap materials, and reinforce them so they can safely support small planters. Position each holder at the center of a diamond, secure the planters, and fill them with trailing or compact plants. The result is a dynamic, living feature that adds color, depth, and a natural focal point to your space. 2. Strawberry jar lamp. This is more than a table lamp, it's a conversation piece that combines lighting and greenery. Keep the electrical components separate from the jar base so water and wiring never mix, and seal connections carefully for safety. Use the jar as a planter around the lamp space, filling it with soil and a small plant. Place the lamp near a window so the plant receives ample light. The result is both eye-catching and highly functional. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, 1. Clothespin herb planter. Clothespin herb planters add a rustic touch and are inexpensive to make. Take apart many wooden clothespins, stain them, and reassemble. Clean and paint tuna cans, black looks great, then clip the clothespins around each can. Fill the cans with potting soil and your herbs. So, small space living doesn't mean you have to give up gardening. If anything, it nudges you to get more creative, resourceful, and stylish with your plants. Try a few of these ideas, mix and match them to suit your space and taste, and enjoy fresh herbs, flowers, and greenery without a backyard. Who knows, you might end up with the most talked about indoor garden on the block. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.